me say now TriStars in the early morning. As I say, company driver TriStars, I jump out, you know what I mean? Me roll out, look at my car, and back of my car, you see all of my equipment them. You don't know, I'm a sheet that another bag there, right? It's my jacket, my pillar. You don't know, I have everything, you know, my truck, you know, my camera bag and everything, see me. You know what I mean? So, we are going to the rope, and if you look all the way around the back part for the glasses, you see the vest around this and things. So you don't know me, I go in. As I say, all of my new subscribers, them all of the money, we just are coming at the thing, you know, see, this is how it is done. We are going to the company now, so we truck them give me. Here walk one, see it set, go look on the truck, look around, so I put on my camera up on my head and them thing there, and do a little pre-trip, do a little run through on the papers on the truck and them thing there. Make sure say everything. You know, I'm not after, when we reach at the company, we continue. So right after this message, we got just tune in back anytime we reach at the company. So big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in, TriStars, company driver. There going easy. Big up on yourself, you don't know, a one link, big up, TriStars.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yes, YouTube, I TriStars again, I check in. That's what I say. But they're the company right now. So, I think I'm going to start today, but I'm not going to start today, because basically, you have to go in and do orientation over again, you know, because some new people and new setup and all that. The E-log is a, you know, different type of E-log thing, so I'm going to do like a E-log training and all that. So, tomorrow before I start, so I'm going to actually go back home, you know, go back in, go and bill, and one piece of confusion, because by the time, see the E-log paper here, with sign log in, log out, that kind of something up and down. Look, well, you know, you don't really take a line with that tell. But, you know, just to sit down in the office a while ago, I listen to the brother talk to me about it, and tell you, come on, sleep, and tell you the truth, I hope I'm talking. I don't remember everything. I kind of have an understanding of little E-log. Me do it already, but I never nothing like that one here. That one is a brand new one. But me, I tell you, trust me, hope a button pressing. But, you know, we all get used to it. So right now, I'm outside of the building. Can we just come back outside? I never to turn on the phone inside. Can we never to want overdo that little something. Yeah, that's what I mean. So I just see some go and build. So, basically, I request a truck, a non-smoking truck. So that... Because you don't know, some of them brother, they love for smoking. I really want in on a truck or sleep with nobody have no hope of smoking or go on the night. You know, some just make you know clear, say, well, them want a non-smoking truck, so just, if you have one with smoke, you have to try to find a way to clean it so that I have to inhale that thing. You know, so I say, I do the thing right, you know, I vlog it, and I keep on a posted with everything I go and see me, nothing no gone, nothing no lose. CM TriStars. You know, we step down a little, but that's still no degrade we. You know what I mean? That's still, you don't know the style, you don't know the thing. We do it. We do it like Nike, you know, the advertisement. We do it, man. So now we're going to say, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in. You don't know how TriStars. And you don't know tomorrow again before we talk again. A video I kind of look a short still, but maybe update and make you know how I go. I kind of see if I can, more know if I can follow up that vlog thing and make it little speedy, you know. Today the 24th. And I don't know when a video will come out still, but hopefully I can push it out fast, as in like maybe next month or so that we speed up this. We have a lot more video to do we're in front of this, if we kind of put together, if we kind of put out, because you don't know. We have to keep it real, see me. So big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in and TriStars, you know. You know what I mean? I don't know what else. I'm going to say, if you just join this channel, if you're a new person, you just watch it like first time I watch on my video. You know, TriStars basically, you know, advise the new drivers them what to expect. You know, all who interested in coming at the industry as a youngster. You don't know, me young myself, so me you know, tell all who young when I'm not youth yet. You know what I mean? If you have youth, no problem with that. If your wife divorce you, the best time for coming in at the thing. You know, I'm going to sit down and talk to them when at the right time to start that trucking thing. Because when you're young, at the best time for kick it off, do what you need to do, catch one what you need to catch, and you can jump out of it if you want, and continue with the life from that. Or you can just, you know, continue finish up your school and do whatever you need to do, and then, you know, but sometimes they want money at the issue with the school things, so you have to grab on one week and get now and then fix yourself later. Because never too late, you know. Never too late. That's why you have to catch all the way you catch from school days, so that you know if you go back to school and you hope at this and that. You know what I mean? But as I say, TriStars to, as I say, the new viewers, me just there, me give a whole heap of advice, you know what I mean? Me also get a whole advice, because my subscribers in a rampy, you know, tell me what I go on and keep me posted and updated, see me too. Because I listen, you know what I mean? Me not just only talk, you know what I mean? As I say, I try to keep that video short, so I really want to do a whole heap of talking, and one day if you listen to me, I chat about that things. But as I say now, me respect the love, me respect the ratings, me respect. And big up to my virgin overseas. Him saying no known from Madams, but he want to buy me a drink for the last video we do on the story time. You see, because me post the story time yesterday, that was the 23rd. You know what I mean? And me get a comment, say, boy, man, want to buy me a drink. So big up yourself in general. I not like, me read the comment and me and did the laugh. And I said, John, no. You sound like one of my old virgin there would say, yo, come in, brother, buy you a drink. You're a good youth. You know, big up yourself for that drink, you know? But as I said, you know, we keep it real, man. You understand? Because I say we can't hide and stand up behind a wall, you know, but TriStar not going to do that. I tell you the truth. I not do them things like me proud that when me, well, in terms of the fire part and them things, when me, you know, post them video the other day, I not do it like me proud, you know. But things do happen, and sometimes when you try to fight it and try to push yourself forward, some people don't really want you to reach you, so they might put all kind of thing in place. So as I said, I could have leave out most of them things out of the conversation we had the whole time. Could have leave it out and we just continue and go on like nothing never happened. But I said, no. I'm going to show you what I go on, tell you what I go on and make you know, just in case, so you know, try if you even do it that way and do it because smarter than how me do it and then get it better than how me get it. And then you don't know now proving yourself over me. You know, the student always better than the teacher though. Right now, me the teacher for right now, you know. Until when I get better, when I can give back some more info. But as I say, I try start. Pick up on yourself if you don't know. Thanks for tuning in. And remember to subscribe, you know. And remember to share the video them too, you know. Remember to press the bell icon, you know. Remember to continue support try, you know. That's cool, man. Big up on yourself. Respect and thanks. Big up, big up, big up, big up. See? Peace and love. See there, peeps? A white Volvo. Right now, I go pack out the things then from out of the car, putting in the truck now and thing, and so I go on feet and start up the engine, look on it, pre-trip it, see how it's set and go in and go see if anything needed, you know, you go check out the truck and all them thing then. Jesus Christ. In a dirty.
I'm rolling on a road that went 10 feet off the ground. And I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. Oh wait, tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around. You say it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late, too late, too late, too late, too
Yeah, YouTube. Right to me a true mouth and thing I'm going to use him. Maybe upon him if we get the truck ready. Because the wheel freeze. And the back wheel them freeze and stuck. I'm gonna try release it right now. And the engine check light come on. Basically, it have go around the Volvo dealer. Inside the truck dirty. Right now, kind of piss. Kind of vexed that. That truck dirty, you know, man. The driver over there first never take care of the truck. So right now, them have get it clean. So this is how we waste up my time. I'm wait for them to clean the truck and all that kind of thing. You know? Let them get the wheel release. Alright. Let them get the wheel release, so I'm gonna just get the truck, go to the dealer as well them want the truck for the dealer. Check out what I want for it, and then YouTube, try stars again. And here we go. I come with an update. Alright. Because I hear the whole day. I'm not drive with it in the night. I'm late from in the morning. So here we the update now, YouTube. It's like this. Going at the truck, we get a truck, we never told like the truck because inside it dirty. You know, we see engine check light come on. You know, and you know, that's them good thing there. And show me the one leave out like today. He kinda set me back a bit. So my request to get a new truck and also you know, so here we go now. When them go in at the yard to find me a truck, they actually find on Peterbilt. Now we gotta take the Peterbilt and everything because them that tell me say they can clean the truck tomorrow. That are the Volvo, they can clean it tomorrow, and they if more we can carry the truck around at the Volvo dealer, just 5 minutes on the road and get it sorted out and everything will be alright. Now on my way to the Peterbilt, I go put my things in there and thing and say, you know, we're gonna roll off with a new truck or a different truck, different something, you know? Then me think back again and I say, no man, stick to the Volvo, cause you don't know your type of brand, you don't know. So better just work with that and done, and you know, any little thing you're out the road, you can learn after that truck here. Same way. So I look back on that and say, you know what, let me work with the Volvo. So go back in there and tell him, say, boy, me work with the Volvo. Man say, me can't make up my mind. But anyway, what that caused me to do now, I have to carry the truck run at the Volvo dealer, then get it sorted out. What happened was because the parks are long. The park over 3 to 4 months near the truck park. So when we go feature, one of the wheel is stuck, the mechanic then free it up. Then when I go run at the Volvo dealer, now the Volvo dealer check the truck, and when they check the truck, then find out say the DEF pump seize up, so they might end up change it. So them change the pump, then change that, then clear off the code off for the thing. So when me actually done finish up that and I go back around at the workplace, the boss call me, tell me say, they have a close for the night, but they have a load in the yard. Me can take it. Everything, my paperwork, everything do if I go across the border, everything. Come I got Houston, I got Texas, I got Texas. So basically them say, you know, everything did it. So I said, I have a problem here because I truck dirty, so I'm not gonna roll out if I solve the case. I'm not going to drive the truck because in there dirty. You know what I mean? Because you don't know, say health is everything, you know, so you have to make sure so them things organized. So what happened is the boss said, alright then I go talk to the shop and leave the shop open if I want to do it myself, or I can wait till tomorrow. So you don't know, you can say in the shop there, in the wash bay, basically. So them leave it open. Me clean up the truck, basically. They do a pretty good job for the condition where they're in, because you know some people nasty, you know, man. I understand some of them driver here, you know, them really, boy, me I tell you, some of them driver here, boy, they not respect them work, you know, and they not respect their health neither, you know. Maybe I show him that leave the work or something, you know, tip up night truck and do all kind of something and does not care, you know, them look style, you know. But anyway, still, me finish clean up until me never wash it outside. Me don't have no time for that. The inside, me really deal with that inside me there. You know what I mean? The outside can wash the next time I come in or something. Me not really matter where outside. Like, it's snow here now and I can dirty by the time we reach out the road. So I not wash the outside. That's another thing. So inside. So basically, I got us show you the part cleaning. I'm sorry, I don't know if I never show you how the condition it was before me start because I never had a pre-fit. I just a pre-fit to clean it up and go a road. I'm going to show you how I go on. Alright. See, I start off from in here, so you don't know a light, but we start off from in here, so clean it up and put some window wash on him, something in it. You don't know, we done pre-trip the truck already and everything there, right? Them said people, somebody that try broken out the truck, that's when I try price here, so, but they never get in or something like that, so because I can't go show them. You know what I mean? So, I don't know, the person the way I try to evolve him, you know, him work with that one day. But anyway, yeah, so the mat look kind of cleanish. Can me wash it and think if you don't look that way, but dashboard you can see say, me do a nice work, man. Piece of cloth that me up on the ground where me kind of step on, come and really go around the back with my shoes. You know that rule already. You know what I mean? So we clean up in the truck. Then see cover your company. I don't know you're supposed to have dirty, you know, because if the truck dirty, then I'm supposed to dirty it, but I can't see dirty tonight to write it. So I want them to take it out, but when I look underneath it, no look good neither. So I say, no, that's the. But yeah. Round there, look, is there a little spot there right that's up under the window? I try my best, because the black on that, like the person will lie down there and rest him head. Right there, so on me, I tell you, no. But anyway, other than that, I try my best, I do what I can do, I clean it up properly, you know, put the little pillar thing up by top bunk the sun, do what I need to do, you understand me? So, basically, I eat this, you know, inside and ground everywhere, I kind of clean it up to where it's suitable for dry. Based on the condition with it, you know, I'm comfortable with it, I'm going with it right now. You understand? Yeah, so basically, I done do what I need to do. So, you don't know, say I try stars, you know, and, you know, I'm up on the giddy, I'm up on the work. You don't know. I don't know what's the deal. So, basically, I'm going to pack my things in the truck now, because I feel more comfortable. Can put the stuff them in there based on the condition of where it was and where it's in there right now. So I kind of feel comfortable with that. So I'm going to work with that for the time being. You know what I mean? So other than that, I try stars, I check out. And peace and love always. And remember to subscribe if you just are tuning in. And remember to share the video if you don't know you're my general subscribers from morning. And don't know, so we are promote the channel because we want it grow, you know what I mean? We want it grow, we want it reach places. You know what I mean? We want to make the thing. We want to make the thing reach places, that's what we say, you know what I mean? Our teamwork do this, you know what I mean? And TriStar is there. And I made her provide me help and advice, you know, for who interested. Not more, not asking nothing else, you know what I mean? So at least I will just share the video and, you know, help promote the channel and, you know, I don't know, I'm glad for they like them and they comment them and all of that already. Because I see when I do the thing, I must say a non-stop thing. Big up on yourself straight all the way. I don't around for laugh and smile and read them. They don't know TriStars and we are check out. Big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in. TriStars. Man. YouTube, TriStars. I know star. I'm just a week, you know. But here I go now. You know something for start off the morning even better than this. But it's because I just get used to the e-log thing here and all type of thing and you know me want to show no I go on still, but you know me have to make sure I have it right. You cannot teach somebody something and you know get the full drift of it, but you know it a come on, hope a button for press, all kind of thing I go on. But anyway, still, good morning to each and everybody. You don't know I TriStars, I check in, you don't know me. My first trip out as a company driver, you don't know. So right now, me I leave from Nova Scotia, me I go Texas. So it's a big run, one of them big boy run, one of them 3-day kind of get up run there, you know what I mean? Get up from here, so I think a 3 to 4 days if me not lie. Well, we are gonna find out. Me not typically can vlog all of that run this day, but whenever I reach that certain area, I just tune in and make you know what I go on. Maybe show 2 footage every time I go across the border. Because I already know about Canada already. But you know, yeah, so basically this is the journey we're gonna take on right now. Morning again. and you don't know, we start off a morning like this. I'm not sure how I go on for the E-log, even though I kind of do them for do already. Alright, see how I go on for E-log. I don't know if you can see it clear. Alright, so I go on for E-log. As I said, I just show now. I'm not going to demonstrate nothing yet. I have everything locked still. I there go on easy, you know, and I understand it same way. You know, too bad, you know what I mean? I can show you the draft, you know. I guess the day one. So see the draft based on everything we do, log it. So I'm there almost I go 1 hour right now. We can see it right there. So yeah. So basically as I'm saying, we so giving them more right. We couldn't see what I go on, you know. I'm not getting making the too bored right now. But I don't know, I try styles, I check it, you know. So we're gonna start off the journey. What we're gonna do, we're going to Tim Martin's go get a coffee. One of them minty, and then we go down the road. You don't know what, as I'm saying, I say a word, big up and respect everybody.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.